Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel XGene and Protein X. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to find polar contacts in PyMol. So let's begin. So I already opened the docked complex in the PyMol. So here I need to first I need to show it in the cartoon format. It will be easier and is convenient. So here you can see there are two different molecules and this is the docked complex. So first I need to show the sequence here. So if you see here, these are the two different molecules. So what I do first, the one molecules I can change the color so it can easily differentiate and it will be easy to analyze. So this one I can select, I can rename it A, and I can change the color as well. I can change it this one. Alright, so you can see now there are two different molecules, so it will be easier to differentiate. So now we're going to analyze the polar contacts. So if you know there are some two different molecules, those are interacting by the hydrogen bond, then it will be easier to find out. Else you can do blindly. So here you can see there are different nearby molecules, so you can try one by one that what are the residues those are interacting via hydrogen bonds. But in my case I know already the hydrogen bond interacting residues, so I can go accordingly. So first I need to select the interacting residues. So I know that that is the serine 257 one. So here is the serine 257. This one 57, I think this one. So I can go check level residues. So yes, this is the right one. So I can change, I can rename it. It's not necessary, but it's for me it's convenient, so this is why I'm changing these residues. And also I can change the interacting residues in the stick format. So you see the stick format now. And another one is the tyrosine 124 in the another residues. So here in my case this one, tyrosine 124. So it's tyrosine 124, and I can change also the format. It's a stick format. Alright, so now we can see there are two different interacting residues, those we can identify. So now we can go in one residues, and so here already selected, so I don't need to select again, so I can delete selection. So tyrosine 124 and then action, then I can find this one and then polar contacts and to any atoms. Then you can easily find these two residues, these are interacting via hydrogen bonds. So let's try another residues. So tyrosine 184, so ASP 121 first, ASP 121, so it might be this one. ASP 121, and then change the format. So change the format, this stick format, and label residues ASP 121. Okay, and another one is the tyrosine 184. It might be this one, tyrosine 184. Change rename it tyrosine 184, and its stick format and label residues. So you see there are two different, and these two ASP 121 and tyrosine 184, these are nearby, and so I know these two residues, it can interact via hydrogen bonds. So let's go for this. So action, just any of the residues, action, and then find polar contacts to any atoms. So now you can see there these two residues are interacting via hydrogen bonds. So now if you want to change this, so you can see these two, these and these are already selected. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color these hydrogen bonds accordingly. So if you want, I can go for this one is the cyan. Okay, so not yet change, sorry. Yeah, one is changed already and another one. Yes, so both you can see they're both hydrogen bonds color changed already. So now we see this is properly, you can see this. So if you want to go, you want to zoom, so you can do accordingly. So what you can do from here, zoom visualized or orient visualized. So or maybe you can go for the zoom visualized to selection. Just one of these atoms, and then, sorry, this is not very proper, so zoom visualized, and I can go for tyrosine. So now you can see this is pretty good. You can see that these are interacting via hydrogen bonds. These two bonds. This is the tyrosine 184, and this one. This is also not very well visible. So, but you can go like which one is convenient to see. You can check that one, that which direction you want to zoom it. So in that direction you can do it, and after that you can save it for the publication. So this is all about the finding polar contacts. So in the next video I'll show that how to find the non-polar contacts in between the residues. So this is all about this video. So I hope this video will be helpful. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any more queries, you can write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.